In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add green screen on CapCut. So first, I need to import a video. So this is my video and this is my green screen. So just import here. Then first, I drag and drop this green screen. Okay, this delete. Then I also import this one is the upper line. Then green screen some down. That's good. Now just select this video, then going on remove bg option, just click here, then click on auto removal. Wow, after one click it's automatically removable. But when you click on here, you need to wait few seconds, only maybe under 1 minute. That's good. Now you can see this is a perfectly match this video. Wow, this is good. If I remove this green screen and I add this one, this is the original video, and this is good. So this is a method how you can add green screen on CapCut PC. So if you have found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe to the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.